It all started one rainy evening, staring at my laptop, wondering if there was more to my brain than just scrolling social media.
Most people think artificial intelligence learns on its own, but the truth is that every powerful AI model you see today was trained by thousands of human workers behind the scenes. One of the companies hiring these workers is Outlier, and their AI trainer role has become one of the most popular online jobs for people who want to earn money from home.
Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how you can make real money online, not from ads, not from drop shipping, but by training AI models. In Kenyon, the platform we're focusing on is Outlier.ai. Outlier connects subject matter experts.
Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what an Outlier AI trainer does, what the work looks like, the skills you need, how much you can earn, and how people get accepted. Outlier is a global company that partners with big AI labs and tech companies. They don't build AI models themselves. Instead, they supply the human intelligence needed to teach AI how to reason, write, solve problems, and interact safely. When companies like OpenAI, Meta, Google, Anthropic, or even smaller startups need humans to check AI responses, compare outputs, detect mistakes, and rewrite examples, Outlier provides the workforce. As an Outlier AI trainer, you're essentially the brain behind the AI. Your judgment, your reasoning, and your writing style all get absorbed into the training data that shapes how future AI systems behave. The work itself is very detailed and very human. You may be asked to read 2 AI-generated answers and choose which one is better, then justify why. You might need to rewrite an AI response so it is clearer, more accurate, or more natural. Some tasks require you to write your own examples from scratch, explaining things like math problems, historical events, science concepts, or giving step-by-step reasoning the way a teacher or tutor would. Other tasks ask you to detect hallucinations, recognize false claims, and decide whether a response is safe or harmful. Sometimes you judge tone, sometimes clarity, sometimes logic, and sometimes the moral or safety impact of a specific answer. That means when you log into the workspace, you might see short rating jobs that take 20 to 40 seconds each, or longer reasoning tasks that take several minutes. Everything you write, your explanations, your critiques, your comparisons, becomes part of the training dataset that teaches the AI how to think like a human. On a typical day, an AI trainer might open their dashboard and see tasks like, review these 2 paragraphs and explain which one is more accurate. Or, rewrite this answer to make it easier for a child to understand. Or, identify whether this response violates safety guidelines. Or, provide your own answer to this question and explain your reasoning step by step. You're not just clicking yes or no. You are actively shaping the structure, tone, and intelligence of the model. This is why Outlier focuses so heavily on thoughtful, articulate people who can explain their decisions clearly. The requirements are simple but specific. You don't need a degree. You don't need to know programming. What you really need is strong English, analytical thinking, and the ability to explain ideas in a clear, organized way. They look for people who can identify errors, follow guidelines, stay consistent, and think critically. If you have experience writing essays, teaching, doing research, analyzing arguments, grading papers, or even just explaining topics to friends, you already have the main skills needed. Being able to express your reasoning is the #1 skill. They want you to show your thought process, not guess. Pay varies depending on your region and the complexity of the tasks. Most people see rates between $12 and $25 per hour, sometimes more for specialized reasoning or expert content tasks. The job is fully flexible. There are no set schedules, no time tracking, no mandatory hours. You log in when tasks are available, do as many as you want, and log out whenever you choose. It's one of the few online jobs where you can literally make money by thinking, writing, and evaluating content. To apply, you submit a form, attach writing samples, and complete a qualification test. The test evaluates your writing clarity, your ability to compare and critique AI responses, and your reasoning style. Some tests include safety evaluations, fact-checking scenarios, or rewrite tasks. If you pass, your dashboard is activated and you can start earning whenever tasks appear. The entire application process can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks depending on how many trainers they need at the moment. And that's the full picture of being an Outlier AI trainer: real work, real pay, and real impact. Every response you write, every decision you make, every explanation you submit, those become part of the model's intelligence. The AI improves because of you. If you want to learn how to pass the Outlier test, how to qualify faster, or how to use AI training as a steady online income stream, send me an email to my work email, and the first few sessions are free. And you can stay tuned to see more ways to profit from AI by liking and subscribing.